we got some new teeth for the dew sand. Digging some black shale, and then the end up here motor on these bolts that are here, they broke off. So what do you think, they backed out and then snapped off eventually? So I think we can make the hole a little bit bigger, go from 5/16 to 3/8, and then put bolts back in it that go all the way down in it. But it bolts to the side of the trailer up there. Rolls the tarp back and forth. But it got messed up.
Come back tomorrow. You know it's not enough that I can make you laugh. Why try to borrow even more time you never have? It's too late, too late, too late, too late. Slide down the rooftop, slide down the rooftop. It's too late, too late, too late, too late. You'd have to rebuild me from the ground up, from the ground up. There's always something, and I can try to change, but you want something else. Why cut off your wings? You could change the world and I'd still be a mess. It's too late, too late, too late, too late. Slide down the rooftop, slide down the rooftop. It's too late, too late, too late, too late. You'd have to rebuild me from the ground up, from the ground up. Oh, oh, you wanna tear down these walls, and I know you can do anything, but it's too late, too late, too late, too late. Slide down the rooftop, slide down the rooftop. Slide down the rooftop, slide down the rooftop. Slide down the rooftop, slide down the rooftop. Come back tomorrow. You know I might admit I wanted you to stay. could change, add or take from, what would it be? Would you tell me? I was sitting here on this chair and pretended I don't care. Ribs torn by worry. Is this where the ending? Is this where the ending starts? Fall apart. The ocean don't bend. The water is getting in. I'm slowly sinking. Salt water. I'm slowly sinking in salt water. For a moment my lip gave in and my tongue took a wrong turn. My bad, I'm trying to unlearn. Oh, please believe in the essence. My intention, your lesson. Oh, yeah.
Well, I've been in Doosan 140 for the last couple hours. I'm in this black shale pit. Before, this pile was nothing. It's completely flat. And then I've put all this dirt in here by digging it out of here. And it's kind of a pain to even dig this stuff. See how it comes up in layers like that? You can see my teeth marks in that. So I'm slowly chipping away at this and then piling it behind me here. And then the trucks will come up right here and then we'll load them. So I'm trying to build this up more and more and more. Try and get a pretty good pile going. So chipping away at it slowly but surely. Oh, what time is it? It's 3:30. So I'll probably do this for 3 more hours or so, I suppose. It's Friday, so. Is it Friday? I think it's Friday. Nope, it's Thursday. Don't even know what day it is. So I figure I might as well just stay and kind of do all this, work as much as I can, try and get most of this out, because I'm cutting it back to the road right here. Try and video some, but it's hard to hold the GoPro in my hand right here and do the controls all at the same time. It's not real stable, but chipping away. The pit looks substantially different than what it was. Got all that dug out, and then I have this massive pile. It goes that way about 3 times what you can see, all the way back to my pickup truck over there. Quite a bit of dirt, well, shale. I'm almost done finishing this cut right here down to this corner, and then I was going to stop for the day. 6 o'clock. Can't even see it. Too dark. There's the dew sand. Barely even make it out. Just now leaving the pit here. Let's see if my headlamp will help. Not really. There's the pile. And a big old hole. Oh, started about 10 by the time we got the teeth put on, and then just kept on digging. Ashley already called me and wondered where I'm at, and I told her I was in Fort Smith. I'm really only 1 town away, so I'm gonna show back up at the house about an hour and a half earlier than what she thought I was going to. Because I play jokes on her all the time. I'm surprised she hasn't killed me yet. She probably will one of these days. But I am going to make my way home, eat dinner, do some computer work, and see what tomorrow brings. I don't know what I'm doing quite yet, so I still got to figure all that out. I might be coming back out here. I might be fixing stuff. I might be doing stuff for the trucking company. We'll just have to see how it goes. But just leaving. Be home in, I don't know, 20 minutes. So we'll see you guys tomorrow.